climb inside the 2020 Honda HR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.